The Carlcare website and app has been improved to bring more exciting features and better services with good benefits to you. As the exclusive and official after-sales service provider for TECNO, Infinix and Itel, Carlcare puts the customers first and always use the high-quality original spare parts for mobile phone repair. Carlcare also gladly rewards customers with free gifts and phone giveaways like the Carlcare's 7th birthday contest and other rewarding fun activities. The most exciting feature of the Carlcare app or website is the online service reservation. You can book a phone repair online, which is a professional service that saves you time and also reduces your stress. To make a reservation using the Carlcare app, just tap online reservations, fill the form with your preferred service store location, input your arrival date and time. With that, it makes you a priority customer when you visit the Carlcare service center because you don't need to wait in line anymore. Note that if the phone is within warranty and also the repair damage is non-artificial, the phones can be repaired for free most of the times, except for screen repair. You can always check your phone warranty status through the Carlcare app. You can also check mobile repair parts prices on Carlcare website or app to help you prepare and plan ahead for the repair process so that you don't run into financial stress, which saves time and energy. Likewise, you can check for service center locations on both the Carlcare website and Carlcare app to help you find the nearest store to you and also plan ahead for the repair process so that you don't run into location stress, which also saves time and energy. Another cool feature on the app is that you can also check the phone repair status. It gives you a real-time update on the readiness of your phone. All required is to just enter the order number and your phone's IMEI number into the app from the receipt given to you. You can as well scan the QR code on the receipt to check the repair status, which is very cool. The second advantage of the Carlcare app is the protection package, where you can purchase up to 365 days insurance service card for either a broken screen, free replacement, or for an extended warranty service, which is very awesome. This services is only for some verified phone models and it can only be used once. The third advantage of the Carlcare service is the phone swap service. You can now swap or upgrade your old Infinix, TECNO, Itel phone for a new one in Nigeria with an additional price based on the value of the old phone. Just locate any Carlcare store near you through the app and go there to start the swap or upgrade process. This is an amazing service for Nigerians that want to have the latest phone model from TECNO, Infinix or Itel. Another cool featured service of the Carlcare app is the online service mall with amazing discounts. You can buy original mobile accessories with warranty, which is an easy, worry-free, painless and uncomplicated process because there are so many fakes in the market. You can also get access to some affordable and quality second-hand iPhones like the iPhone 6s and iPhone 7, which means that Carlcare is also offering third-party repair service for iPhones, which is also good. The Carlcare Mall provides services to help customers download major apps for free without the use of mobile data on their device. This was done to help customers save time and data, especially when the price of data is high. Just fill the form with your preferred service store location, input your arrival date and time. This service is open to all smartphone users. The online mall also gives you access to some specific repair service like battery replacement, screen replacement and screen insurance protection. Other value-added services of the Carlcare app includes airtime top-up, data top-up, and TV cable recharge, that is your DSTV and GoTV. There's also the news section, which helps to keep you updated with latest information about Carlcare services, promotions, or deals. The Enquiries section gives you access to some quick repair tips, and you can also talk to an agent for a more professional solution to your smartphone issues. The Carlcare website gives you access to some repair tips and tricks, especially for most software issues, which could be a lifesaver. There's also a forum section within the app that shows you some more information about Carlcare activities. You can also consult or ask questions concerning your phone issues. You can share or post ideas, pictures, activities, or games, and you can check out some frequently asked questions about phone issues with their respective quick solutions. Lastly, you can also verify the authenticity or originality of your Infinix, TECNO, or Itel smartphone. For the past 7 years, Carlcare has provided professional services to over 100 million customers from the comfort of their homes, and there are now over 2,000 service centers in 50 countries worldwide, and you can enjoy fast repairs. Nice job, Carlcare. Feel free to ask me any question in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. Kindly subscribe and turn post notification on to be the first to see the next video. Talk to you in my next video. And remain humble. Stay safe. Bye.